This is going to be a video tutorial on how to view your system specs using PowerShell in Windows 11. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To view your system specs in PowerShell, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is open PowerShell in administrator mode. I'm going to go down to the taskbar, down to my little search bar. I'm going to type in Windows PowerShell. I'm going to go up to the top up here where it says Windows PowerShell. I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on Run as Administrator. It'll ask me, do I want to allow this app to make changes to the device? I'm going to click on Yes. Now PowerShell has opened. Next thing you want to do is type in Get-ComputerInfo. I will place this command down in the description if you want to just copy and paste. Get-ComputerInfo, then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. It'll take it a few seconds, and then it brings up pretty much all your system specs. You could scroll through here. That is how to bring up your system specs using PowerShell. Thanks for watching.